Hey boo, we about to wash our hair, girl. We have some human hair mini twists in, and when I tell you my scalp itches, like it's hurting. It hurts so bad. I don't understand why my hair always does this in braids. Braids, twist, it doesn't matter. It itch. Okay, shampoo twice, rinse it out, condition, rinse it out. We're gonna use the For You by Tia hairline that I had reviewed in my last video. So if you want to check that out and see those products, make sure you go look at that video. And what else? This is gonna be a quick video, nothing too shabby. This might be 3 minutes and that's it. Okay, we'll see how we do this. Oh, quickly, little curly pieces in here too, so I don't know how it's gonna react. It's a synthetic human hair blend, so I have no idea how that's gonna work. I pray that it don't do too much because I'm not gonna bother it. We're just focusing on the scalp. So I split my hair in 4 sections and I'm just gonna show you how I do it. Okay. Oh, and once again, I have been going in with gloves because I do notice as I scratch my scalp with my nails, it does irritate my scalp more and causes more flakes and all the things. So we're gonna go in with the handy dandy gloves.
Welcome to Wash Day, boo. So if you click this video, you most likely have a protective style or you're thinking of getting one. This tutorial is pretty straightforward. So my main focus is my scalp because it struggles deeply with being dry. So I use gloves to wash my hair because it's healthier for your scalp rather than scratching it, and it helps prevent more frizz than what we already have. And just so you know, my hair is already 10 days old in this clip. I wish it could have looked less frizzier and more clean, but y'all, if you have a rough scalp, you already know the braids and the twists and the protective styles get old, okay? Real quick. So anyway, so as you saw, I did split it into 4 sections, or however many sections you desire. You can do as many as you want. I twisted them each and secured it with an elastic rubber band at the end. I shampooed twice, massaging my scalp and conditioning my hair, making sure to rinse everything out. So I know I labeled this as a tutorial because honestly, some people need help and some people don't really know how to do this stuff. But my best pointers is maybe try gloves to prevent more frizz. Even if you don't have a rough scalp, I think that would definitely help. I also have a scalp soother that I actually forgot to use, but you can use that as well if you feel like you want a bit more of a scrub, or you know, a little something more sharper on your scalp, even though you know you want to do your best not to irritate it. But other than that, just be gentle and enjoy your wash day, girl. I mean, a lot of us struggle with enjoying it, and I get it because I've been there, but I think this was pretty relaxing and I enjoyed this one. But information about my hair is human hair from Hot Braids. So if you want to see a tutorial, click the cards in the right corner of this video and watch it after this video. This hair did very well in water and it dried very well also. I want to say it took about 5 hours to dry completely, and I didn't have a mildew smell to it after washing it, so that's a plus because I noticed that when I have braids and I wash my braids, sometimes I struggle with that mildew smell. I did have human hair synthetic blend pieces for the boho curls or whatever, and that honestly did well to my surprise. I didn't expect it to. It all tangles, but with the proper care every night, it's very possible to keep it maintained. After doing that, I decided my scalp and hair needed extra loving, so we brought out my hooded steamer, and I mean, baby, this steamer works wonders for me. I bought it originally for my scalp issues, and my only problem is using it consistently. Because of the setup process, it's a lot to work with and set up, but it's really not that bad. I just need to be more disciplined and stop being lazy. But my hair and scalp definitely felt moisturized, so I very much so enjoyed this. It always makes me feel more relaxed, and steaming is just very good for your body overall. So I would definitely suggest that y'all give it a try. If you're interested, click the link in the cards once again, and it is linked in my Amazon storefront. After that, I go in and refresh my front perimeter to keep it cute and have it look real maintained. And I do have a part 2 coming out about how I do that, so make sure you go tune in to that video. But yeah, y'all, if this video helped you in any way, be sure to like, and if you feel that you fit in with the family, go ahead and press subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.